AI isn't replacing everyone. It's dividing everyone. The gap between AI users and non-users is growing fast, and most people don't see it yet. If you care about your career, this matters. Most people think AI will replace everyone. It won't. It will divide everyone. And the split has already started. Right now, there are two types of professionals in your company. The first group uses AI daily. They automate reports. They write faster. They analyze faster. They learn new tools in hours. The second group does the same job manually, the same way they did last year. Same salary, same job title, but completely different trajectory. And here's the scary part. Managers are noticing, not because AI users are smarter, but because they're producing 2 to 3x more output. In a performance-driven economy, output wins. Not effort, not loyalty, not seniority. Output. And AI multiplies output. This is how the new class system forms. Class 1, AI amplified workers. Class 2, AI exposed workers. Amplified workers get promoted faster. They take on more strategic roles. They become high leverage. Exposed workers get compressed. More oversight. More micromanagement. More pressure. Because when one person produces the work of 3, why keep 3? Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. You might think, I'll adapt when I need to, but adaptation has a timing problem. If you wait until your company fully restructures around AI, you're not adapting. You're catching up. And catching up is exhausting. Because while you're learning basics, someone else has already integrated it into their workflow. The gap compounds. And compounding is dangerous. 6 months of AI usage difference doesn't look like 6 months. It looks like years of advantage. Let's make this practical. Imagine 2 marketing analysts. Same age, same degree, same experience. One spends 30 minutes writing a report. The other spends 3 hours. One uses AI for research summaries, data interpretation, first drafts. The other doesn't trust it yet. At the end of the week, one completed 15 deliverables. The other completed 5. Who becomes high potential? This isn't about intelligence. It's about leverage. And leverage changes hierarchy. Now zoom out. Entry-level jobs are shrinking. Not because companies hate beginners, but because AI does beginner-level tasks extremely well. Why hire 3 juniors when 1 mid-level plus AI can do it faster? This pushes young professionals into a brutal reality. You're not competing with seniors anymore. You're competing with seniors plus AI. And here's the psychological shift most people haven't processed yet. The new competition isn't human versus machine. It's human versus human with machine. And that's far more threatening. Because you can't protest it. You can't regulate it away overnight. And you can't ignore it. So what happens next? The workforce doesn't collapse. It polarizes. At the top, people who know how to direct AI. Think strategically. Use it as a force multiplier. In the middle, people scrambling to reskill under pressure. At the bottom, people hoping stability returns. It won't. Technology rarely reverses. It accelerates. But here's the important part. This split is still early, which means the gap is still manageable. You don't need to become an AI engineer. You need to become AI integrated. Daily usage, workflow integration, experimentation. If AI saves you 2 hours a day, that's 10 hours a week, 40 hours a month, 500 hours a year. That's 3 extra months of output per year. Now ask yourself something honestly. Are you in the amplified group or the exposed group. Because in the next 24 months, that difference will define promotions, layoffs, salaries, and opportunities. This isn't fear content, it's positioning content. The advantage window is open, but it won't stay open forever. The question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question is, will someone using AI outperform me? And if the answer is yes, you already know what to do.